Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Ben Grimm from the Fantastic Four film. This skin is also featuring in Fortnite at the moment, so I'm going to do a full body shot. I'm going to have his hands sort of cracking together. Start at the top here. Just going to do that hair or head area, so I'm going to just do that rocky, chunky head area. So I'm just going to just bring the pen down like that, just sort of a bit rocky looking, so slightly jagged, go like around the other way as well. Bring it out, sort of pops out either side, the top of his head, and then comes in. So it kind of goes up there, nice and wobbly with the pen. Just come downwards here to the side of his neck, so just bring the pen down, that rocky element. On this side, it's going to come in a bit more on this diagonal, so wiggle it around there, and then he's got his kind of mouth area kind of, and it comes around, sort of wiggles around like this. Actually, while I'm there, I'm just going to pop in that frown that he's got around his mouth like that, and just a little bit like a lip. If I look down here, because it's kind of at an angle, right? He's got his little nose sort of around here, and a couple little lines coming out either side of that. Top of the nose probably about here. He's got those big brows as well, hasn't he? So one comes out round sort of this way, one out round sort of that way. Maybe I just go over the brow area so it really accentuates it. And he's got, it goes up really high, it's like really chunky bits right up here like this. And there's just little sort of cracked little bits of stone sort of coming off it. So just put a few little lines in around there, around the mouth. So it just shows that sort of rocky look to the Thing and Ben Grimm, the character. I'll pop the eyes in, so I've got a little eye around here, just a little curve there, and then one here, so just pop a little curve in, and then just looking over this way, and just pop little eyelid elements there, maybe just a few little more like little dinks of rock in there. There we go, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to draw a suited version, so I'm going to come around, I'm going to draw a curve around where his neck area is. So like the collar just sort of pops around the head area like that, just pop it around, and then I can just pipe it. So just around like that. And then I've got this wide old shoulder area, so it's got his initial elements of the shoulders popping down this way, coming out to a big shoulder element kind of there. Then on this side, really wide again, sort of come out around here, bounce it out, and then got another really wide shoulder right there as well. Got the triceps to pop in now, so I'm just gonna just kick it out a little bit. And this side, just kick it out a little bit, a little curve. What I can do now is just go down to the elbow area. So on this side, I'm just gonna come down to an elbow area there. And then what I'll do is just maybe continue that up to about here. On this side, we'll come down, we'll just bring it down this way, curve it round like that. And what I can do, they're kind of cuffed, so it's going to draw a nice curve around there, kick it back over that way, and on this side, kick it around that way, bring it back over this side here, and then we've got just a little element where the chest meets the arm. On this side, he's almost got like a little cuff before the hand, so I'm just going to draw a little curved element again around there, and I can pop that little line there. And this side, again, we've got that little cuff as well, so bring it around like that. It's got a little comm system on this cuff, so I'm just going to curve that around there, then just pop a couple of little lines in just to make it look like a bit of a comm system. What I can do now is have a look at the hand. So I've got this hand going over this one. All I need to do, we start at the bottom here, bring your pen out, draw a really wide finger there. I'm gonna go back up, another really wide one there, Then just behind that, just there, just pop another little one in, and then just bring it back to there. Then this one is more of a fist, so all we need to do is just line it up from the cuff area and just bring it in to this point here. Again, what I can do now I've drawn that is just pop in some little cracked areas, maybe a little hint of a nail, but just maybe sort of this sort of cracked, liney kind of look to give us the rock looking parts of the thing. Nice little bit of texture. Cool, okay. Let's do the torso. All I need to do is go down from that cuff area there, that little bit we made, just bring your pen down here. And about this side here, about there, just bring it down there. He's got a belt on here, so I'm gonna just draw a little line between the two, just a nice little curved one, like that, join it up. Then on either side of that, I'm just gonna bring it out, it's like the edge of the belt, either side like that, and then we can just link that back up again. Again, there's a few little bits on the belt. I've got a few little lines to pop in, so I'm just gonna just block it off like a metallic belt with little packs on it and things. So just a few lines going on, maybe a couple little dots there. It's got the little 4 logo here, so I'm just gonna just pop in here, just put a little 4, put that circle around it there. And then we can work out onto the legs. So chunky thing legs, the hips are about here. Then we can just bring it round to like a knee section here. So I'm just gonna curve around there. On this side, just gonna curve around to like the knee here. Maybe just sort of show a little dink of the knee on there, either side around it. And then we've got the center point of their legs is probably around here. And we can go probably down to around here on the inner part. So just curve it around there, and on here, curve it to there. We've got the top area of the legs done. These widen out again at the calves. So I'm gonna take the pen here, it's gonna widen it out. And here, just widen that out there. Curve it around. And over here, I'm gonna come down, sort of similar thing. One there, one there. Curve that around. Now I've done that, let's do the boots. These taper in, so I'm gonna, sort of like long boots on, I'm gonna taper in around there. And then while I'm there, let's do the rest of the foot. So we can come down here, around this way here, the front of the boot, and in like that. There's a nice little sort of split we can pop in there. Probably another one about here as well, where we've just got the front of the boot. And over this way, got one here, sort of coming down this way here. And then the heel probably comes down to about there. Curve it around, right over this point here, and back up like that. Curve those points around there. And then we've got that's a basic outline. What we can do now is just add a little bit of detail. So the suit for Ben is blue and white, and I'm gonna just sort of come down here, just draw a nice little curve around, sort of to split it. Then there's a couple of little white elements on the shoulders. So I've got one coming around here, kind of kicks back over there. And then one comes down sort of here, kicks back there. What I can do on these is just draw a nice little sort of ribbed bit. So just curve on there. And then on here, a few little curves there. The suit element, there's a few little rib bits coming down here, and it's sort of split with a little curve along there. There's also like a couple more curves. I'm just gonna draw a couple of those in, maybe just pipe it. Like that, and then what I can do is just sort of draw some of these lines, textures. Along there. This sort of continues to the leg area here. I'm just going to pop in maybe a couple of little lines here. I don't want to do too much. And then it's almost split here, and just going to sort of around the knees, just put a few little points in, and we're just going to just put some of these ribbed bits at the bottom here. There we go. Finally on the boots, just a little bit, a few little dinks for detail, a few little bits sort of coming around. Again, it's sort of got this lower area here which we can just chunk in around the heel. Same thing here, it kind of comes up and around, a few little lines like that. I think I might just go around that outline while we're here. So just grab the pen. I like the head, so I'm just gonna chunk in a little bit around there. And then because he's a solid old character, I'm gonna really accentuate those edges on him to just make character pop. Nice comic look. Just like beef him up a bit. We just add in a few around the head, so he's looking all good. Yeah, that's all right. And there we go. That is Ben Grimm, the Thing from the Fantastic Four. Have a look at the skin from Fortnite. Let me know what you think. Let me know who else I can draw. And I'll see you again soon. All right, bye for now.